Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome on new subscribers. I hope you're doing okay. How you doing? How you doing? Today we have the second part of edging or some fall items, diamond paintings, to give you an idea for your decoration and gifts. So here they are. Got the first one. This one is appropriate for Halloween. To decorate for Halloween. This is a 30 by 30 actually. You got the bolt. You got the, well, these are the 200 little pack that are annoying. And yeah, the colors for the fall. For the Halloween. Okay. This one has 20 colors. Wow, for 30 by 30. Got a lot of colors there. Look at how cute. All of them are letters. Have the DMC code. Here it is. Ooh, hard glue, huh? Take a look at this. Yeah, the canvas also has some glitter, some shimmer. Here it is. Happy Halloween. The genomes. Here it is. The drill fill is clear. These are cute. And these are the colors that you already saw. Look at how very orangey, very fall, very Halloween. Okay. Let's get to the next one. This one is a 30 by 40. Oh, I think this one is cute. Oh, this one. Here is a toolkit. This one came already keyed up, which is great. This one has 23 colors. Pumpkins. Appropriate. Look at how cute. Oh, come on. Ooh, hard, good glue. Have 23 colors and is letters only, and has the DMC code. And take a look at this. The drill fill. Dark. You can see it. Ain't that cute? Look at holding the pumpkin. These are cute, cute, cute. Beautiful. Let's check out some of the colors. Take a look at these beautiful colors. I don't think I even need to open it up. Take a look at this. Let me open it up, but they are. Beautiful. Fall colors. Beautiful fall colors. I'm glad that this one came already. And take a look at this. Again, this cutie. Let's take a look at the next one. And the last one for this second part. Here is the toolkit, and also came kit up. Oh, this is cute. This has 24 colors. It's a 30 by 40. Has 24 colors. And take a look at these nice fall colors. Turkey's done. Go until you go whoa. Take a look at this. Only letters too with the DMC code, 24 colors. Oh man, good glue. Good glue. Take a look at the genome. Ain't that pretty? Turkey's done. Gobble till you wobble. Wobble. Wobble? Wobble? Whatever. This is neat. Got a whole bunch of flowers in there. Let's take a look at the colors. Look at this. It has some, let me get you closer. It has some nice fall colors. Take a look at this one. The camera is asking me to change battery, but I'm almost done. So take a look at these ones, these colors here. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. Well folks, this is it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time. Well, just when I was gonna wish you until the next time, much love and peace, the camera shut off. Sorry about that, okay? So again, hit the like and subscribe button, comment, tell which ones you like, okay? And there is a discount code of a Genomo in the description box. So until the next time, don't forget to use that discount, because you get all the discount minus that one, okay? You can use it. So until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.